Last year, I replaced my range with this beautiful new induction range. And just recently, we had to buy a new stock pot. So I got this one, which clearly says it is made for induction cooking. I'll tell you how that worked out in just a minute, but here is a test. The pot that you see on the right is the new one that I bought that said it was an induction cooking pot. And the one on the left is another induction cooking pot. As you can see, the video is speeded up here, and one is starting to do better than the other. I've slowed it down to normal speed here, and you can see that the pot on the left is boiling. So we've got a full boil here. It took about 4 minutes to boil 4 cups of water in the pot on the left. Meanwhile, now it's speeded up again, that pot on the right still just has some bubbles and a few of them are rising, but that is nowhere near a boil. So I waited and I waited 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes. I kept going and going. And eventually I had to speed up the video here because it took about 16 minutes before I finally gave up. This so-called induction cooking pot never actually came to a full rolling boil the way you see with the one on the left. So beware. When you buy something labeled as an induction cooking pot, it may actually respond to induction, but maybe not very well.